So it should be a button in the back so you can turn it on right here. And this how you know it's on, when it light up green. And then once you connect the part to your phone at the bottom and turn it on, you got a working mini microphone. So yeah, clock that T, baby. Y'all better be ready for them bangers dropping back to back, because I got my microphone headset. So now y'all can hear me better. Guess what? Them bangers on the way. Them bangers on the way. So it's your girl, Keeping Up with Jen. You already know what it is. Yeah, the biggest. The biggest. And the prices for these mini microphone headsets was $7.99 on the TikTok shop. So go get you some right there at the TikTok shop. Y'all know what to do. Your girl is out.